Daily wage labourers in India face a multitude of challenges, many of which are interconnected and contribute to a cycle of poverty and vulnerability. These challenges are rooted in the country's economic and social landscape. Some of the key challenges they encounter include low income and wage disparities. Daily wage labourers earn meagre incomes, often below the minimum wage. There is a significant wage gap between skilled and unskilled labour, exacerbating income inequality. Job insecurity. Daily wage labourers have no job security. They often work informally and can be laid off without notice, leading to uncertainty about their future income. Exploitative working conditions. Labourers often work in harsh conditions, including long hours, exposure to the elements, and physical strain. Safety measures and worker rights are frequently ignored. Lack of social security. Daily wage labourers rarely have access to social security benefits such as health insurance, pension plans, or unemployment benefits. This leaves them vulnerable to medical emergencies or financial crises. Limited access to education. Poverty often forces labourers to prioritise work over education for their children. This limits their children's opportunities and perpetuates the cycle of poverty. Healthcare challenges. Lack of access to healthcare and financial constraints can prevent labourers from seeking medical treatment when needed. Preventive healthcare is often neglected due to financial constraints. Inadequate housing and sanitation. Many daily wage labourers live in overcrowded slums or informal settlements with limited access to clean water, sanitation facilities, and electricity. Nutritional deficiency. Due to low incomes, labourers may struggle to afford nutritious food, which can lead to health issues and malnutrition, particularly among children. Debt traps. In times of financial crisis, labourers may resort to borrowing money at high interest rates, trapping them in cycles of debt that are challenging to break free from. Discrimination and exploitation. Labourers, especially women and marginalised communities, often face discrimination and exploitation in the workplace. This can include gender-based discrimination, caste-based discrimination, or wage disparities. Lack of legal protections. Labour laws and regulations are often not effectively enforced for daily wage labourers, making it difficult for them to assert their rights or seek legal recourse. Access to hygiene and sanitation facilities. Labourers working in construction sites or agriculture may not have access to clean and safe sanitation facilities, which can pose health risks. Migrant labourer challenges. Migrant labourers who move from rural areas to cities for work may face additional challenges, including accommodation issues, language barriers, and a lack of social support systems. Vulnerability to economic shocks. Daily wage labourers are highly vulnerable to economic shocks such as inflation, job market fluctuations, and the impact of global economic trends. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach, including government policies to improve labour conditions, increase wages, and provide social safety nets. It also involves efforts to promote education and skill development, healthcare access, and the creation of formal, stable job opportunities for daily wage labourers. Community initiatives and support from NGOs and civil society organisations can play a vital role in improving the lives of these vulnerable workers. The lives of daily wage labourers in India, brought to you by VEDIKA365. Like, share and subscribe our VEDIKA365.com videos with your support. Thank you.